Hello, dear listeners, and welcome to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. Today, we will talk about something that many of you might not know: how to use CCTV footage as evidence in an adultery case. CCTV footage is an important piece of evidence in cases involving infidelity. However, using CCTV data as evidence in court is not as simple as it may seem. It requires following specific legal procedures to ensure that the information is accurate and holds enough weight to be accepted as evidence in proving the facts of the case. Today, we will go over the key steps and procedures for requesting CCTV footage as evidence in an adultery case. The process of requesting CCTV evidence. First, if you know where the incident took place, such as at a hotel, shopping mall, or restaurant, you should specify that location clearly. By doing so, you will be able to request a court order to obtain the footage from the CCTV system at that location. Once the location is identified, the next step is to file a petition with the court. You will need to file a case and ask the court to issue a subpoena to obtain the CCTV evidence. In the petition, you must explain why the CCTV footage is crucial for your case and why it is necessary to request this evidence from that specific location. 2. Characteristics of the video files used in the case. The video footage obtained from CCTV should be of good quality, ideally in HD or 4K resolution, so the court can clearly see the details. The footage must also include important information, such as the date, time of the event, and the location of the CCTV camera that recorded the event. If the video files are long or have multiple clips, you should edit the footage to include only the relevant parts of the case and provide a summary of the events in the video, so the court can easily understand the key points. 3. Dealing with uncooperative locations. Sometimes the location that holds the CCTV footage may not be cooperative in providing the data immediately. In such cases, you should contact the system administrator of the CCTV system to request the footage. If you still cannot gather the information, follow up closely to ensure you receive the footage in time. The retention period of CCTV data. Most CCTV systems store data for a period of 7 to 15 days, depending on the system settings. In some cases, footage may be stored for up to 30 days. However, if you know when the event occurred, it is important to request the footage as soon as possible to avoid the data being deleted. 5. Presenting evidence in court. Once you have obtained the video footage, the next crucial step is presenting it in court. Editing the footage to include only the relevant parts will help make the presentation more effective. Additionally, preparing a summary of the events in the video will help the court understand the details more clearly. Conclusion. Using CCTV footage as evidence in an adultery case is not an easy task. However, if you follow the correct and meticulous steps, it will increase the weight of your evidence and support the facts in your case effectively. If you need legal advice or assistance with adultery or family law cases, feel free to contact Siam Center Law Group. We are here to help you through every step of your case. Thank you for listening to our podcast. We hope the information shared today will help you handle your case efficiently. Siam Center Law Group. Our team is ready to provide consultation and support for all your legal needs. Thank you, and see you next time in our podcast.